Morning, everyone. Gerald out here again. We at the fire damage house. You can see we got the trim around the windows. We are gonna go do a walkthrough. I'm gonna show you where we are. We got the flooring down. We just got to do the trim as far as trimming up, doing all the baseboards and everything like that. But you be able to see where we are. So let's go ahead and do a quick walkthrough, and I can show you exactly where we stand. We're actually getting to the closing, the end of this project. So when you get a chance, I'm also going to put together a full, let's say a full video of the entire process. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do it in pictures or if I'm going to do it in video. But you all tell me, which one would you like to see? Would you like to see the video changing from, walkthrough and progression, or would you like to see the pictures? Do the pictures do more for you when you're actually seeing the transition? But subscribe so that you can get that video, like, and give me that comment so that you can let me know what you think and what else would you like to see. And once I get finished with this, I can go back to walking through some neighborhoods, pointing out some different things in these new neighborhoods. But let me get started, because we're here in Jacksonville. Looks like it's about to rain, so gotta go get the hot water tank here. But let's go ahead and get started with this. All right, let's see where we are. All right, as you can see, we still haven't replaced that window yet. I'll tell you an issue that I had. I actually found out, for some reason I ordered the windows from Home Depot, and the problem I had with that is Home Depot windows, they never sent one of the 6 windows that was the same size. So whereas I'm waiting for this one window, and then I actually had to get a refund, I had to reorder it again. So now I pushed it back to the 10th of this month, and we just started a new month. So, but let's go ahead and walk through here, and I'm gonna show you what's going on. All right, here we are. As you can see, all the windows, we're getting ready to do the trim on the actual window seal plates and everything. So we're getting ready to do that and trim around the bottom. We have all the trim work lined up here. A lot of it's been painted. We got some of the fans listed here that's going to be in here. This one's going to have can lightings. The can lightings are in the kitchen. So as we can see here, I got to see how much more caulking do I have. I might have to get more caulking. But you can see the flooring, they have covered this part of the flooring, because this is where everyone's going to be walking into. So, but let's go ahead and walk through here. We see where we are. See the flooring. That sand mix and stuff I need to get out of here to get out of the way. Still gotta trim out that window. Oh yeah, and these here are the vanities that I have to put the vanities in. Get them out of the way. Still gotta do this window is the one that I was talking about. I don't know how Home Depot kept sending me the wrong window. So one of the windows was broke. It never sent me, it's supposed to have 6 of this size. They never sent me that one. So I ended up having to call this weekend, because they told me it was going to be here on Friday. Didn't show up on Friday. I didn't think it was going to show up, but I came on Saturday and it wasn't here. So then I had to come back and make some more changes, and I had to get a refund and had to order it, and now they're talking about it's going to be 10 days. So this is just some of the things that you deal with. This is a lot of things that a lot of people don't understand about doing construction and being a contractor. Most people just think that you're dealing with these projects for a short time period, but these are the things that you have to do. You have to organize, you have deliveries, you have all these suppliers you're dealing with. Sometimes suppliers don't have the stuff correct. You gotta get credits. And I'm gonna tell you another thing that a lot of people don't realize also. When you get down to the very end, you get a lot of small little expenses. Like you may not have enough trim here, or you may have had too much. And I try not to buy too much because I don't like to store material, because I do these projects every so often. Now, if I was doing something like I was building a house after house after house after house, then I would take a lot of that stuff and put it in storage because I would use it on the next house. But because I don't, I'm doing these fire damage house and I do them as they come. But yeah, that's just something to look out for. But anyway, let's finish walking through this. So let's go back around. You can see that's where all the baseboards are going to be. Okay, I did buy the flooring for transition piece for that. Just got to put that down, and it's just the bathrooms. I think we've already seen the bathrooms on those. That there, we just got to paint those and then put the window sills in. It's a little darker back here, but I mean, as far as my subcontractor, he has done a really great job. A really great job. I couldn't be any more happy with him. Yeah, he's very particular, and he ensures that he is doing everything to the best of his ability. So, but as you can see in here, that's the shower, a full shower, and I ran all the towels to the ceiling. It just didn't make sense. I know I could have saved myself some money if I would have just ran it up so far, but when you're dealing with a shower and you know the moisture content in there, it's just better to go ahead and just run the stuff so that it's all the way up, so that the people don't have to worry about that. We still got to do the trim around for the actual access. We got 2 attic access in this house that I actually gave to. We have one in the hall up there, and I added one in this utility room area because it was a lot of space, and you can never have too much, and we're going to finish it out, so it's going to look good. So, but yeah, so this is where we are. This house is holding a better temperature since we have the blown insulation in, and we've replaced some of the windows. The windows helped dramatically. They help you dramatically. And this, I forgot to point this out, this is the window here for that. This is that window. So it looks a little wider than the window, but let me look at this. I think this side, yes. I'm just looking at that. That's just But anyway, that's where we are. So I have to double check that. It's just that window looks extra wide, and you know, you really have to check behind them, because that window looks almost like a perfect square, and it should be, but it's only, if it's only 2 inches off, then it may look like that. So we shall see. But anyway, Gerald with OVD, and this is Gerald with OVD. So it's been a pleasure. We're gonna continue to go through this process, and we're gonna next time, hopefully when I come back, hopefully we're getting close to the final touches, and we should be wrapping this project up, and then I can come out with that actual footage that shows you from beginning to end. All right, you all be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think, and I'll be back with you. Have a nice one. Take care. Bye.